Saguaro. This is one of the most recognized cactus plants in the world. It grows exclusively in the Sonoran Desert, which stretches across the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. The saguaro can reach heights of up to 12 meters and lives for more than 150 years. Its thick, ribbed trunk and large arms store enormous amounts of water, allowing it to survive months without rain. Birds like the Gila woodpecker carve holes into its flesh to nest inside, making it a small ecosystem on its own. Prickly pear. This cactus grows on flat, paddle-shaped segments that stack on top of each other. It is found across North America, South America, the Mediterranean, and even parts of Africa and Australia. The prickly pear produces bright fruits in colors ranging from green to deep red, and both the fruit and the pads are eaten by people and animals. It thrives in dry, rocky soils and is one of the most widespread cactus species on the planet. In many cultures, it has been used as food, medicine, and even as a natural fence. Barrel cactus. This cactus is named for its round, barrel-like shape. It grows in the deserts of North America, particularly in the Mojave, Sonoran, and Chihuahuan deserts. The barrel cactus tends to lean slightly toward the south, which has earned it the nickname compass cactus among desert travelers. It grows slowly and can live for several decades. Its dense covering of thick, curved spines protects it from animals trying to reach the water stored inside its pulpy interior. Organ pipe cactus. This species grows multiple tall stems directly from its base, giving it the appearance of a pipe organ. It is native to the Sonoran Desert and is particularly common in the area along the border of Arizona and Mexico. Unlike many cacti, the organ pipe cactus blooms at night, opening pale pink and white flowers that attract bats and moths. It grows in warm, frost-free zones because it is sensitive to cold temperatures. The fruit it produces is sweet and was historically eaten by indigenous communities in the region. Cholla. This cactus is covered in dense clusters of sharp, barred spines that easily detach and attach to passing animals or clothing. It grows across the desert regions of the American Southwest and northern Mexico. There are many varieties of cholla, including the jumping cholla, which gets its name from how readily its spine-covered segments seem to leap onto anything nearby. Despite its threatening appearance, it provides shelter and nesting material for certain desert birds. The detached segments spread across the ground and take root, which is how the plant reproduces. Golden barrel cactus. This is a round, globe-shaped cactus covered in bright golden yellow spines that give it a warm, glowing appearance. It is native to the highlands of central Mexico, particularly in the states of Hidalgo and Querétaro. In the wild, it is considered endangered due to habitat destruction and overcollection. It grows in rocky, volcanic soil on steep hillsides. Despite being rare in nature, it is one of the most popular ornamental cacti in gardens around the world because of its striking color and simple, symmetrical shape. Totem pole cactus. This unusual cactus grows in tall, smooth, column-like stems with a bumpy, irregular surface that resembles a carved totem pole. It is found in the Sonoran Desert, primarily in the Baja California peninsula of Mexico. Unlike most cacti, it has no visible spines, which gives it a smooth and somewhat sculptural appearance. It grows very slowly and reaches impressive heights over many decades. The totem pole cactus is a natural mutation of the Sienita cactus and is often used as a decorative plant in dry gardens. Christmas cactus. This cactus is different from most of its relatives because it does not grow in hot, dry deserts. It originates from the coastal mountains of southeastern Brazil, where it grows in humid, shaded environments attached to trees and rocks. Its flat, segmented stems hang downward and produce vibrant, tubular flowers in shades of red, pink, white, and orange. It blooms around the winter holiday season in the northern hemisphere, which is how it got its name. It is one of the most popular houseplants in the world and adapts well to indoor environments. Cereus. This is a tall, columnar cactus native to South America, particularly found in Argentina, Brazil, Uruguay, and Paraguay. It grows in open, dry scrublands and can reach heights of several meters over time. The cereus produces large white flowers that bloom only at night and close before morning, lasting just a single night. It is a fast-growing cactus compared to many other species and is widely used in gardens and landscaping across warm regions of the world. Its blue-green color and clean, upright form make it visually distinctive. Fishhook Cactus. This is a small cactus that grows close to the ground, usually in clusters of round or cylindrical shapes. It is found in the deserts of the American Southwest and northern Mexico, often hiding among rocks and dry grasses. Its name comes from the central spines, which curve downward like fishhooks. Despite its small size, it produces colorful flowers in pink, yellow, and red that appear at the crown of the plant. The fishhook cactus is well adapted to survive in thin, rocky soils where larger plants cannot establish themselves. Hedgehog Cactus. This cactus grows in low, rounded clusters with dense, colorful spines that give it a bristling, hedgehog-like appearance. It is native to the deserts of the southwestern United States and northern Mexico, where it grows in rocky slopes and open plains. The hedgehog cactus is known for producing some of the most vivid flowers among all cactus species, with blooms in deep magenta, orange, and red appearing in spring. The fruit it produces is edible and was used as food by Native American communities for generations. Blue Myrtle Cactus. This cactus is named for its striking blue-green color, which sets it apart from most other species. It grows along the coastal regions and dry hillsides of Mexico and Central America. The blue tint of its skin comes from a waxy coating that helps reduce water loss in hot, dry conditions. It grows in tall columns and produces small pink flowers near the top. It is often used as a living fence in rural areas of Mexico because of its height, density, and the protective barrier its spines create. Peruvian Apple Cactus. This tall, columnar cactus is native to South America, particularly found in Argentina, Bolivia, and Peru. It grows in dry, open landscapes and can reach heights of several meters. At night, it produces large white flowers that are pollinated by bats. The fruit it produces is round, sweet, and edible, which is the reason for the apple in its name. It is cultivated in parts of South America and the Caribbean, both for its fruit and as an ornamental plant. It adapts well to a wide range of dry climates and is relatively easy to grow. Mammillaria. This is one of the largest and most varied groups within the cactus family, containing over 200 individual species. Most Mammillaria cacti are small and round, covered in neat, spiraling rows of spines and soft hair-like bristles. They grow across Mexico, the southwestern United States, the Caribbean, and parts of Central and South America. They typically produce a ring of small flowers around the top of the plant, which later develop into tiny red or pink fruits. Because of their compact size and easy care, Mammillaria cacti are among the most collected and cultivated cacti in the world.